Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to convert GGives to cash using SeaBank. An important thing to know is you cannot directly convert GGives into cash and transfer it to SeaBank. GGives is a lending feature for cashless transactions within the GCash app, not a cash advance service. The funds are meant for digital purchases, bill payments, and scanning to pay, not for withdrawal to bank transfers. However, you can use a workaround by transferring funds from your GCash wallet to SeaBank after converting your GGives to cash. This method is not officially supported and involves risks, as it relies on third-party services and may violate GCash's terms of service. So step 1. Convert GGives to cash using a third-party service. Find a reputable online vendor. Some merchants on social media platforms or e-commerce sites offer a service to convert your GGives into cash. You will use your GGives credit to purchase an item from them. Number 2. Contact the merchant. Confirm that they are legitimate and have a good track record. They will typically explain the process and any service fees they charge. Number 3. Use GGives to pay. The merchant will provide a GCash QR code or other payment instructions. You will scan this to pay for the purchase using your GGives credit. And finally, receive the cash. The merchant will then send the equivalent amount minus their service fee to your GCash wallet. Step 2. Transfer the cash from GCash to SeaBank. Number 1. Open the GCash app. Number 2. Tap Bank Transfer. Number 3. Search for SeaBank. Find SeaBank in the list of partner banks. Number 4. Enter your details. Input the amount you want to transfer, along with your SeaBank account name and account number. And finally, confirm the transaction. Review the transfer details before proceeding. GCash will send you a confirmation once the transfer is complete. Warning: using unofficial methods to convert GGives is risky and can lead to financial loss or have your GCash account flagged for suspicious activity. Use the methods with caution and at your own risk. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.